Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Shardies, and actually, I'm starting this video, and I realized I had the sound on gain, and I want to get rid of that. So let's go ahead and turn off the music. I literally only had the music on for the Null fight, and that's it. Because the boss battle against Null has music made by a guitarist for Gwar, and it's actually pretty fucking awesome. So, anyway, we're doing Cosmic Crucible here. It's me, Shardius, and I'm going against Zet, who is an interesting, I don't know, Russian oligarch? Oh, let's see here. Zet is, well, let's look at me real quick. I'm at 83.3 TCP. My strongest team power is 4.48. Not much changing there. And Zet is way lower, 49.1 with a 4.4 strongest team power. So, as I've mentioned in previous videos, the closer that your strongest team power approaches 10% of your total collection power, like the more spendier you are. So 4.4 is closer, like close to 10% of his entire total collection power. So yeah, I'm going to go up against this guy, and he's got a really good defense actually. He's built to win, and I think I can beat him. I don't know. And the previous video, I just have to say this. I was stupid drunk, and I don't know if I was seeing double, but no, nobody had Gear 20. I was wrong, and I did end up winning that matchup. So, yeah, we'll just take a quick look at that real quick. Yeah. My first attack, which I quit the video after this. I quit that. I ended up beating with doing a cleanup with new warriors, and I did really well against everything else. So really, the challenge for me in this this matchup is remembering what I have. It's really tough, especially with all these new teams that have come out. It's really tough for me to remember that, oh yeah, I unlocked Shadow King and I already have him at Gear 18. Perhaps I can use him. And I don't know how well he works. So we're gonna fuck around and find out, I guess. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do room 2, and I'm gonna do again, this is new for me. I'm gonna do Night Stalkers. I'm gonna take out Moon Knight, and apparently Big Time Spider-Man works well here. And usually, unless I have him on defense, which I probably do. And we'll just use no, let's go with full Night Stalkers then. Let me double check. I'm pretty sure my Big Time is on defense. No, he isn't. Okay. Let's try that again. So, Night Stalkers. And then there's Big Time. Okay, let's try it. Excuse me. All right, so I don't really have a choice here. I'm going to do the Alt. We need to get rid of Scientist Supreme, actually. Lady Deathstrike is a threat, for sure. But I don't want Scientist Supreme reviving anyone. Oh. Well, that worked. Well, okay. Stun. Die. Oh, we didn't get the stun. Oh, that's... Oh. It's funny, she always gets stunned in Dark Dimension. Fuck me.